Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have my Insta360, which has a little port for a headphone, not a headphone, for a microphone jack. And so I wanted to be able to use it with a microphone, and so I got myself this. This is the wireless lavalier microphone from KIMAFUN. So we're gonna give this thing a try and see how it works on my Insta360. I got the little contraption on the side there to be able to connect up there, because sometimes if I'm riding or something like that, I just want to, man, I can't get this open. If I'm riding on my bike or something like that, the wind noise is just way too much, so I want to be able to have a lavalier mic so somebody could hear me closer up. So let's give this thing a try. This is the KMG70, whatever that means. But oh, look at this, it comes with a nice case and everything. So here's the manual for it. And then this is the case, and there's the barcode if you need that for anything. That's pretty nice. Nice little case. I can probably put my whole camera in there too. So let's see what we got in the case. In the case, it comes with, I'll just take out each piece by piece. Here, I'll lay it down a little bit so y'all can see. So this is the transmitter, I would assume. RX, I guess, transmit. And then, or no, receiver, RX is receive, and then this is the transmitter, TX. So these are the two pieces to make it go. And then we also have in here, let's see, we have the headphone jack adapter. So if I wanted to go from 3.5mm to the regular big one, and then a windscreen deflector, and these are some more windscreen covers, which likely I will need to use here. I'll probably need to use this big old one here. That's what I was before, to connect up into, it's so squishy, into there. So then it would be like that. So there we go. So that's it with it on. And then we have a charging cable. So it charges, it looks like it goes to one USB traditional to two USB-Cs. So I guess each component can be charged separately like that. And then we have this little section here. What's in here? Man, I think I got everything already. Let's see what else there is. Oh, the microphone here. This is the lavalier mic if I wanted to have it wired up instead of using the one on here, I guess. So whatever, let's give this thing a shot and see how it goes. I don't even have it charged or anything, but let's see what we get. I'll aim you guys up a little bit so you can see me again. So let's turn on my Insta360. It's got a little rubber cover over it. There's that. Okay. Let's see how do I turn this on? Oh, I turn it on. It's got a little light. It looks like it's I don't know, a red light with a blue light. And then this one here's got a little light flashing, and now it went to connect. So let's see if we're connected now. I don't know. Let's give this thing a try. Oh, it is, because I can see up on the top of my Insta360. I don't know if you guys can see it from there. I don't know, but up here it has a little microphone button, and then it has the noise, the volume thingy there. So it's definitely working. So let's give this a try. But that was pretty quick. Man, I got this thing working immediately. So now if I'm riding down the street and I'm doing this, it's actually recording right now. So we will see how good it records. So now it's recording, and I am on a 360 view. So not sure, there we go, there's us. But let's just stop it. And there it is. I don't know if I can play back oh, it turned off. I think as I started recording straight from it being, I recorded without turning it on. That's what happens when you don't turn it on. Okay, so now if I want to go to, let's see, can I see nope, that switches to a single lens. I don't want that. I haven't even hardly used this thing. So quick menu. Nope. Get rid of that. Oop. Writing, cycling. No, I don't want any of those presets. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Boy, I don't know how to see it. I don't know if I can watch it. Maybe here? Nope. I don't know. Well, let's connect it up and watch it on my iPad. See how the sound is. It's still recording my voice. Okay, so now if I go to my Insta360, I should bring up my album. connected. I'm not connected to a camera. Press to connect. Connect. Okay, it's connecting. Join. Okay, so we're gonna see how it sounds. Y'all won't be able to tell, but I will, because you guys are just hearing me through the phone. Let's see. I'm gonna play the most recent clip that I just recorded. So there we go. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see right there. It's got 4, 3. So now I should be doing a panoramic. We'll see when we look at. Yeah. I mean, that gets stabilization, so if I'm bouncing. I don't know if you guys can hear, but I don't hear any of the background noise. Okay, so now it's stop. It's really nice. It's a nice lavalier mic. So yeah, I'm gonna say this thing's pretty cool. Probably if I connected it up to this one here, it would be even a better sound to it. But I'm gonna say this is really cool. Very nice, professional looking little one here. So this is gonna be good. So I'll be able to just go around on my trip and keep this here and record and document everything as I'm riding my bike. So this is very cool. So this is KIMAFUN. Very cool, KIMAFUN. And I guess I need to peel off all the little plastics on there, but I was just showing you guys how I could get this thing working immediately almost. You saw me, I opened up the plastic and got it working. Less than 5 minutes, everything's up and going, and I've already tested it and it sounds great. So I'm gonna say thumbs up for me. Links in the description, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.